Let's go into the Goodwill bins and see what we can find. Oh, look who's sitting on the shelf right here just waiting for me. I found 3 of these the other day over here. What Goodwill was selling it for? I don't know, I can't see. They were selling this for $3.99. Here's a little sewing basket right here. There's an ice cream bucket. These are great to give a makeover and put a Christmas tree in. Oh, I love these. I love these trees. I don't know how old this is, but I love the kind of jadeite color and the pink. Okay, that is going in the cart. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Little girl feeding the chickens. I feel like this is an older piece. I like the colors on it. Oh man, one of the chickens is broken. If it wouldn't be for that, I would definitely get that little figurine. I like this too. I know this is not anything expensive, but I think it's really pretty. But this box is empty. Wait, is this for addresses and stuff? I remember these when I was younger. Now everything's in your phone. You don't need that anymore. I have lots of toys today coming out. This bin seems to be a mix of a little bit of everything. It's one of those fake books. Artwork. Looks like they have some cute chairs. Look at this one right here. That would be really easy just to recover that cushion. Oh, I actually have one like this in Ren's room. This is her desk chair, except it's all wood. I do like the green, and they put green leather on here. $6 for this. $6 for this cutie. Wait, look at this little cabinet right here. It's $20. That's precious. It's not in the best shape, but I love the little legs on it. I have a ton of lampshades in these bins. There's another one. I do need one lampshade. Oh, that's a precious little dress. But I think all of these are too big. Need a smaller one. Oh, this one's nice. I like the color on it. Like I said, I need a smaller one. These would be fun for Christmas time if they were all this pattern, not that on the back. Here's a red lampshade, and this is actually the size that I needed. I just don't remember if I need the part that comes down or up. But I'm gonna grab it because next year I would like to have more red lampshades just to change out for Christmas. And I found one of these pillows that it is the same on both sides. So I think I'm gonna grab this too. Look how cute that is. And then with this little green rug, so you can see how these pieces would be good for Christmas. I'm not getting the rug though. I'm just gonna get these two. What are these over here? Pink lotion. If you need some of these, I don't know if they're $3 or they're going to be a different price at the Goodwill bins, but if you need soap, I feel like even $3 is a good deal on a gallon of soap, right?
Maybe we should get it.
Maybe we should get one.
Wait, I want to see how heavy it is. Oh, that's heavy.
Pink soap in your bathroom would be cute, huh?
Oh, I want it.
Okay, put it in the basket. More pillows, a rug. What is this? I think this is a drawer. Like a Christmas rug, an older one. And of course, lots of clothing. Always lots of clothing at the Goodwill bins. Ooh, this is cute. Green pillow with pom-poms. All right, Ren's videoing. We're gonna see if I can do the yo-yo.
Oh, so close.
I need to practice. I used to be able to do this. Ren, can you do the yo-yo?
Okay, so now I'm doing the yo-yo, and I think I'm personally better.
This is a very nice lampshade. It's lined at the top and the bottom. I love the shape of it, but as you can see, there's some water damage on it. Look at this cute little chair. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's not necessarily my style, but that is so cute. Here's a whole bin of those crates from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Okay, this one was 99 cents, but this one was $1.99. No wonder it didn't sell at Goodwill. Look what I found. Another one of these. Here's some glasses. That's a cute shape. It's $1.99 at Goodwill. Oh look. Here's a bunch of them. What are these? These are $2.99. I'm trying to think what I could do with these because I like the shape of them. Cute with just like a little IOD transfer on it. Ooh, vintage gold toilet paper holder. I might need this in one of my bathrooms. Add that to the cart. Ew, that looks gross. What is this red velvet thing? Oh, I think this is a pillow sham. That is really pretty. I like the shade of red. What brand is this? Is this Pottery Barn? It is Pottery Barn. Would this look cute on my bed for Christmas? I'll add it to the cart. It's only going to be, I don't know, probably less than $1. Christmas ornaments, gold, green, little iridescent ones. Another lampshade. This one might be the size that I need. I don't see any stains on it. Alright, I'm going to get this one. If it's not the right size, I'll just hold on to it. It's a nice neutral color. It's a nativity. Well, the background anyway, looks like it's missing the pieces. Present. It's another pillow. Oh, I think this is a reindeer. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. It's missing some pieces. Wait, the pieces might be in here. Here's the head. Where's the other leg? Alright, it's still missing a leg. But maybe it's in one of these bins. Poinsettias. Oh, it's this wooden piece down here. Ooh, is that a frame? An oval frame? It is. It's actually plastic, not wood. And it's older, professionally matted. I love the gold right here. I might get this. Here's an owl right here, but it does have some chips. I think this is the last bin unless they roll out some new stuff while I'm looking, because Ren is ready to go. If you're looking for last minute toys, they have a lot over here today. It's a turkey. This is my first time ever finding a turkey at the Goodwill Bins. Another lampshade and some artwork. It's a little wooden box. Oh, that's cute. It has a little drawer. There are colors in it. What's under this? It's a soup tureen. It's very discolored. That's broken. Yeah. I don't like the yellow color on it. Ooh, what's this? Here is a just like a ceramic piece. Here's a glass piece. Ooh, this is heavy. This feels like really good quality. Perfect size for Q-tips. It definitely needs to be cleaned. Alright, I'm dump those out. I don't want people's Q-tips. I'm gonna grab this. This would be really, really pretty in one of our bathrooms. They just brought out a new bin, and this is all that I found. Look at this clown art piece. Okay, so you see the nose is 3D. On the back, there's some kind of music thing happening, but I don't know what you're supposed to do to make it work. Like the nose doesn't turn or anything. Do y'all know anything about this piece and how to make it work? All right, they are rolling out new bins pretty fast, but Ren had enough.
Bye guys.
and I have a day plan with the girls. So we're going to head out and start our little girls' day. But I got some cute, look how good all of this looks together. And I got this picture frame.
You.
I know it's not me, but I like the frame. Do you like the frame? Yeah. We got some glass pieces. This right here. Wait. Oh yeah, some soap. I was like, what is that? Soap. And I got 2 lampshades, and then Ren got her a few things as well. Yeah, she got a jump rope, she got a yo-yo, we got a frisbee, so lots of outdoor toys.
Wait, I got a frisbee? No, I didn't.
I got the frisbee for us.
Oh, well, look what I got.
We like to play with frisbee. That's a pretty pony right there. Is that for your Barbies?
Yeah.
So we're gonna head out. Yes.
So good.
Yeah, we're gonna practice some more with a yo-yo. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Wait.